Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up alarm clock on DOOGEE T40 Pro. Let's go. Okay guys, so what we need to do is we need to find a clock app. Then we go here to alarms in a bottom left corner here. Then if you want to make an alarm, set your custom, you press here on this white plus. Then you select an hour. I will select 12:28. Okay. And it should ring any second now. As you can see, it rings. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.